Hi guys, Kathryn Hills here from the EUP ISD Lifespan program, and today we're going to make a very simple recipe called corn and green chili salad. This recipe has 2 cups of corn. You could either use frozen, fresh, or canned. It also calls for either a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies in a 10-ounce can, just a small can. Or you could use 2 fresh tomatoes along with a diced jalapeno. Okay, now we're going to put this corn and green chili salad together. All right, let's give this recipe a try. I actually changed the recipe up a little bit by adding fresh tomato and fresh jalapeno along with the canned diced tomatoes and green chilies. I thought that would just add a little bit more of a fresh flavor. You can do what you would like when you make it. I used frozen corn that was thawed. You could use canned or fresh. Let's see. Excellent.